103Z and 303Z installation instructions. These vests have a rear zipper closure, which makes them extremely difficult for the passenger to remove the vest once it's on. These vests come in 4 different sizes: extra small, small, medium, and large. Custom-sized vests are also available. See website for sizing chart. These vests are fully adjustable through the shoulders with the tilt adjusters and through the waist with 3 different zipper options. The difference between these two products is the added loops on the 303Z that work as a guide for the seatbelt with the use of a tether mount in a family vehicle. Step 1. Hold vest while passenger steps into crotch straps with the Easy On Parachute logo to front. Step 2. Choose one of the 3 zippers that fits child snugly. Be certain that the vest fits snugly. Step 3. Keep waist strap low around the hip level. Step 4. Adjust crotch straps to shorten or lengthen. To be snug but not tight, a crotch strap is sewn into all sizes except for large. For large size, continue to Step 5. Step 5. Adjust shoulder straps using adjusters. Pull webbing back through adjuster to reduce slack. Do not pull too tight, as this will cause vest to pull up off of the hips. The waist strap of the vest must stay low around the lap. Step 6. Back thread web through bar slides to lock. This prevents the vest from loosening through shoulders. Once the vest is on the passenger, here are a couple things to check. The pinch test. Vest should be snug enough that you cannot pinch any extra webbing through the shoulders. Hip strap is low, over the hips. Winter coats should never be worn under the vests, always over the top. She is now ready to be secured into a vehicle.